This video will show you an easy solution to convert your ChatGPT conversation into Google Docs or Word. Sometimes you need to transfer your ChatGPT chat content to a Google Doc to edit or tweak it. Can you ask ChatGPT to transfer it to Google Doc in the ChatGPT chat box? Let's give it a try. Since ChatGPT can't fulfill our request, the other method available is copying and pasting the content. This is alright if you have a short chat. What if you have a long chat content? Copying and pasting the content will be tedious. Is there a solution to relieve you of this extra work? Yes, there is. Go to ChatGPTConvert.com. On this page, you'll find a Chrome extension that exports ChatGPT conversations to Google Docs, Word, Notion, and Slack with a single click. Click to add the Chrome extension. After adding the extension, go back to Chat and refresh the page. You'll see below each chat a page icon. When you hover your mouse over it, it says Export to Google Doc. When you click on it, you can export a section of the chat. You'll be asked to sign into your Google Drive. Choose the account to which you want to save the chat. On linking your account, a Google Docs page will open. Press Ctrl-V to paste the chat you copied. If you want to export the whole chat, click the multi-select icon. Then you can select all. You can then click on Export to Google Docs. You can see that all the chat sections have been copied to a Google Doc. Those are the steps for copying your ChatGPT conversations quickly and easily without having to do it manually.
Simply click the link below to learn more.